So today we're going to find the polynomial model, which is the best fit curve. And we have four choices for our model. It could be a line, it could be quadratic, it could be cubic, or it could be quartic. And we're going to do finite differences to determine this list of data, what type of model it is. So a finite difference is a common difference. So looking at table 1, we want to look at the y values and do subtraction between each pair of y values. So we're going to do 4 minus 11, which is negative 7. And we're going to then do 1 minus 4. And then we're going to take 2 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 16 minus 7. That's 9. These are not a constant value, so we have to subtract again. Negative 3 minus negative 7, 1 minus negative 3, 5 minus 1, and 9 minus 5. Now, since these are all a common number, they're all constant 4, and it took us one level of subtraction, 2 levels of subtraction. This is a quadratic model. So because we subtracted twice, it's quadratic. Now, what we have to do is, in the calculator, use that to get our equation. So you're going to follow these steps. Hit the Stat button, press Enter on Edit, type the data into L1 and L2, and when you do that, your X's are L1 and your Y's are L2. Then you're going to quit after you type, go back to Stat, or over to Calculate, and then choose your model. So in the calculator, for this one, you're going to choose the one that says quad reg for regression. That's in our title up here. If you want to see me doing the specific calculator steps, you can watch the 2014 Exam Review A calculator video. There are 2 problems at the very end that go through these finite differences. So after you've done that in your calculator, your answer should be 2x squared, y equals 2x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, let's try all that again with number 2. We're going to subtract our y values. So negative 27 minus negative 85. Negative 1 minus negative 27. 5 minus negative 1. 3 minus 5. 5 minus 3. And 23 minus 5. So those are not constant. We have to subtract again. 26 minus 58. 6 minus 26. Negative 2 minus 6. 2 minus negative 2. And 18 minus 2. Still not constant, so we're going to subtract again. Negative 20 minus negative 32. Negative 8 minus negative 20. 4 minus negative 8. And 16 minus 4. Now, we have a constant number. We subtracted 1, 2, 3 times. So because we subtracted on the 3rd level, this answer is cubic. So you're going to go in your calculator, follow all the steps, and the equation you should get for number 2 is y equals 2x to the 3rd minus 4x squared plus 5. Okay, so now we dropped to problem 4. When we subtract -2 minus 48, 4 minus -2, 0 minus 4, -8 minus 0, -22 minus 8, and -12 minus -22. I have to do that again. -2 minus 50, -2 minus -50. So keep subtracting. Gotta go again. And still one more time. So we got our constant on the 1, 2, 3, on the 4th level of subtraction, which means it's quartic. When you do this in your calculator, your answer is going to be y equals x to the 4th minus 5x to the 3rd plus 2x squared plus 6x minus 4. Now for 5 and 6, the table is set up differently, but it's the same process. We just have a horizontal table instead of vertical. So we're going to subtract -11 minus -12, -2 minus -11. So keep subtracting. I actually prefer a vertical table. I'm sorry, not vertical, a horizontal table like 5 and 6. So now on this 3rd level of subtraction, so it's cubic. And when you do that in your calculator, y equals x to the 3rd minus 2x squared minus 11. For your classwork, finish number 6 and the entire back of the worksheet as well.